When the user logs into the dashboard app, they are presented with the tasks page containing dashboard names and the data filter pull-up page. In this demo, I will add a new field, System Status, in Data Filters and place it in the app after the status filter. The Data Filters section is controlled by the DataFilters Data Model. To locate the data model, navigate to the Custom SL Templates folder. Under the SL Templates folder, navigate to the specific mobile app dashboard folder. For the demo, I will use the project's dashboard app. Edit DataFilters Data Model. For editing, I will copy the SQL contents in a notepad. The DataFilters Data Model contains 7 fields. The slide displayed on the screen explains the usage of these fields. When entering details, it is essential to specify values in all SQL fields. When editing the data model, the details specified in the mobile format column must not be changed. To add a new data filter, I will copy an existing select statement and place it at the end of the SQL statement. The first field is the display sequence. I want to place the new dashboard after the status field. I will first verify the display sequence of the existing status field. The display sequence of the status field is 30. For the system status filter, I will specify the display sequence as 35. Enter filter display name as system status. Enter parameter name as SL system status. The following 3 fields contain details of the values displayed to the user. The mobile app automatically selects the first field value as the default value. For the demo, I will specify all as the first value in the list of data filter values. The value in the ID field is passed to the report specified in the tasks page data model. I will enter value all as an indicator to select all system statuses. I completed the first SQL block containing the first or the default value. I will copy the exact details to the next SQL using which I will get the actual system statuses. Let me copy the already prepared SQL statement. Now I have the select statements using which displays the value all at the top of the list. The actual system statuses are shown from the second record onwards. Before saving the SQL back to the environment, I will first check the filters displayed in the mobile app using the existing data model. You can see, after the status filter, the next filter shown is Business Objective. I will place the updated SQL back to the data model and save the data model definition. To test the change, I will log out and log in. Now, I will again review data filters. You can see the new filter created for the demo. The default value selected by the app is all. Clicking the System Status filter displays all filter values. It seems in the select statement, I should have used the distinct clause. I will make the change in the SQL statement and again save the data model. To test the change, I will log in. Again, review the data filter values. Using distinct removed all duplicate values. I can select any other value from the list.